Hi, Cai Ping here. Today I'm going to show you how to make room temperature yogurt without added sugar, so it's healthier for you and your family. 您好，我是彩萍。今天我给大家演示一下自己在家里常温下如何做没有加糖的酸奶，这样对您和您的家人来说更健康一些。All you need is 4 cups of milk.One big container or a few smaller ones to hold the milk while it's becoming a yogurt, 1 packet of yogurt culture, a thermometer, and maybe a stick blender or something you mix the milk with the yogurt culture. 你所需要的就是4量杯牛奶。一个大瓶儿或者几个小瓶儿来盛装牛奶，在它成为酸奶之前，就是要把它盛装在一些瓶里，然后5克的酸奶制剂，或许一个温度计，如果你对自己家里的温度不是很明确的话，一个温度计，然后有一个共式搅拌机或者是筷子、叉子，任何可以让牛奶和这个酸奶制剂搅匀的东西。就可以。According to the instructions on the package, you need to heat the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit and then cool it down to 73 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. And then add the yogurt culture and let it sit at room temperature for 24 hours.就是说，根据这个酸奶制剂包装上的说明，你需要把牛奶加热到80摄氏度，然后再冷却到23到25摄氏度，加酸奶制剂进去，然后让它放在室温下24小时就可以做成酸奶。But recently I found that since all milk in America is already pasteurized. It's already germs-free. So I found a lazy, easy, smarter way to do it. So I just, for the last 2 times, I pull the milk out of fridge and let it sit on the counter to room temperature. And then I add the yogurt culture to it. Let it sit for 24 hours. That's it.The last 2 times I did, my room temperature was 66 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, and I was successful. So it proved that it's okay. You don't need to heat the milk up and then let it cool down. It takes a long time, and it's not necessary to waste time and energy doing that. 既然美国的牛奶都是已经消过毒的，已经是无菌的，所以我就找到一个更懒、更聪明、更简单的方法，就是把牛奶从冰箱里拿出来，放在台子上，让它升温到室温下，然后直接加这个牛奶制剂进去。上2次我做的时候，我加的室温是19度和19.5摄氏度。都成功了，跟那个加热然后冷却再加酸奶制剂做的酸奶没有任何区别，所以就证明了，就是说，没必要把牛奶加热然后再冷却再去做这个酸奶。Okay, is use clean scissors, cut that open.And pour this into one of the cup. 所以就是用干净的剪刀把这个酸奶制剂剪开，然后把它倒在一个小瓶里。Let's see what's the milk temperature today. I put it in a warm water bath. So 所以我今天把牛奶专门放在一个温水浴里啊。今天是 Okay, so today it's 75 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect temperature to make room temperature yogurt.所以今天的牛奶温度是24摄氏度，来做酸奶是非常好的，因为它这个包装说明就是说是在23到25摄氏度之间。Okay, let me wipe the water so it didn't drop into my milk. 所以我先把这个杯子外头的水擦一下，免得这个水掉到这个牛奶里头。Pour some of the milk into it, maybe half of the bottle. Okay, so the next thing is just start mixing. 下面就是不停的搅，让它这个溶解在这个，让酸奶汁剂溶解在这个牛奶里头。I used to have a stick blender, but it's broken now. I cannot use it. It's just laying here to show you what it looks like. 所以我以前就是用这个共式搅拌机直接在这个大杯里一搅就行了，但是现在它坏了，我不能用了。So anybody can make this. If you can mix, you can make this yogurt. This is the hardest part. You have to have patience without a stick blender. 所以任何人都可以做这个酸奶，只要你可以搅拌，你就可以做。唯一需要的就是一点点耐心，因为我现在这个东西坏了，要搅半天，这个才能融化在里头。The best thing about this yogurt culture is it can be used for cow, goat, and soy milk. My family already eat a lot of other soy products, so I don't make soy milk yogurt. But if your family don't eat enough soy products and eat a lot cow milk, then you can make soy yogurt. I tried soy yogurt once. It's really good. The texture is so silky. It's better than cow yogurt. 所以这个酸奶汁剂的好处就是说，它包装上说它既可以用来做牛奶酸奶、羊奶酸奶，也可以做豆奶酸奶。因为我家人已经吃很多豆制品，所以我一般不做豆奶酸奶，我做的是牛奶酸奶。如果你家里人吃豆奶，吃的比较少，吃豆制品吃的比较少，你可以吃牛奶吃的比较多的话，你可以做豆制品酸奶。I have tried a few yogurt cultures here. This is the best one I found. Every time I was successful, and it always gives consistent, better flavor than other brands I tried. So if you haven't tried any yogurt culture before, you start with this one. I will put the link to the yogurt culture in the description. You can start with this one, see how you like it or not. I bet you will like it. 所以这个酸奶汁剂是我在美国试了好几种酸奶汁剂，这是最好的一种，因为每回我都成功，而且它的这个味道是最好的。美国的酸奶一般都是加了很多其他味道，吃起来没有一点点就是像中国的那种简单的酸奶的那种香味儿。这是唯一一种跟中国酸奶味道最相近的。我会把这个酸奶汁剂的链接放在那个描述里头，所以如果你想试的话，你可以先开始试这种酸奶汁剂。如果它好的话，你可以接着使用；如果它不好的话，你就可以再试其他的。我相信你肯定会喜欢它的。所以现在基本上已经融化了。So it's almost dissolved. I don't see any culture clumps in the milk. And then pour it back to the milk here. And some more. So make sure it's consistently dissolved to the milk. It's good now, I think. So you just pour into these individual jars. 就是把它们分别倒在这些杯子里。I'm just trying to fit all these in the 5 jars. So that's it. Let it sit at room temperature for 24 hours. So this time tomorrow it will be good. You can put it in the fridge to stop the fermentation. If it's over fermented, then it's too sour. It doesn't taste the best. 所以这样就好了，你就让它在室温下面24小时。明天这个时候，你就可以把它放到冰箱里头去，让它停止发酵。如果它发酵过度的话，太酸，那个味道就不是最好了。Here is a jar of yogurt I made the same way last week. So when it's ready, you can just eat with a spoon. It's very good. It's very good. Or you can mix it. Very good. Or use a straw. Whichever way you fancy. 所以你可以用手指咬着吃，也可以用吸管吸着吃。I'm your host, 彩萍。Thank you for watching. If you like my video, make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel, or leave comments. 您好，我是彩萍。如果您喜欢刚才这个节目，请务必点赞、分享、订阅加物语时政频道或者留言。